The admin password is essential for controlling your Lorex NVR. It grants access to system settings, camera configurations, and recorded footage. Without it, you cannot manage your security system effectively. For hardware reset, locate the pinhole button on the NVR's back panel. With power on, press and hold for 10 to 15 seconds. This performs a factory reset, reverting to default username, admin, and password 000000. Change the password immediately after logging in. Note that settings will be erased, but hard drive recordings may remain. If you have a secondary user account with admin privileges, use the software method. Open the Lorex client or web interface, then go to System menu and select User Management. From there, you can reset the admin password without losing data. If completely locked out and on the same local network, connect the NVR directly to your PC using an Ethernet cable. Download and run Lorex's IP search tool to locate the NVR's IP address. Once found, access the device through your web browser using that IP to regain control. After any reset, immediately change the default password to something secure. This ensures your security system remains protected from unauthorized access. Immediately after resetting your Lorex NVR password, create a strong and unique password to secure your system. A strong password should be at least 12 characters long and include a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Enable two-factor authentication if your Lorex NVR supports it. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a code from your smartphone or email in addition to your password. Regularly back up your Lorex NVR configuration to avoid data loss during future resets. Save settings to external storage and schedule backups weekly or monthly. Keep your Lorex NVR firmware up to date to address vulnerabilities. Check the Lorex website for updates and install security patches regularly. Be cautious about exposing your Lorex NVR to the internet. Use a strong firewall to protect your network and consider using a VPN to encrypt your traffic.